Hey guys, it's Yvette and Mr. JB. He jumped up here all on his own. I didn't do a thing. Anyway, I have the Pineapple Fabrics pineapple slice box to open, and I received this just before I had gone on a retreat, and so I've had it for a little bit, so I need to get this open for you guys so you can check out what's inside. So without further ado, let's get this thing open. What you think, buddy? You ready? Do you want to see what's in there? Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Okay. Paper. Lots of paper. Okay, so it looks like we're getting a Yuletide Fran pineapple pack. And so there it is. That's the Fran pineapple pack. And inside the Fran pineapple pack is 20 2.5 inch by 43 inch strips, 25 inch squares, and 22.5 inch squares. So there we go. It's a nice Christmas bundle. There it is. I love Christmas. So happy it's here. Okay, so we also got, you get a pattern with it. So let me see which one they gave us. Let's see. Okay, it looks like we got the Party Trio Fran pattern, and it makes one wine tote, one bread basket, and 2 wine bottle gift bags. Wow, look at that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, you can see it. That is so cool. That's like a whole collection of things. I love that. Oh my goodness. It's going to make 1 wine tote, 1 bread basket, and 2 wine bottle gift bags. I mean, that's getting a lot out of this. That's awesome. Okay, so that's the pattern that we got with the Fran pack. And let's see. We have a pad of paper. It says pineapplefabrics.com. Big old pad too. That's a lot of sheets. And it also came with a pencil. Yep, a pencil. That's really cute. I love pink. Y'all know I love pink. Oh my gosh. And it looks very Christmassy when you put that together. That's so cool. Then we got red 50 weight Orfil thread, and it is the large spool. Oh my goodness, like the large spool, guys. We never get the large spool. That's really cool. We got a yard of fabric. Is that what this is? Yes, 1 yard of fabric from Yuletide by Tim Holtz. And it's fabric with words on it. And it's got glitter stars on it as well. Very cool. And oh my gosh, we still got more stuff. Okay, we also have half a yard of fabric by Yuletide, or from Yuletide by Tim Holtz. And this is called Gilded Baubles. That's nice too. This is like a metallic gold right in there. That's very cool. Wow. I mean, we're getting a lot of stuff. Okay, we have a candy. I saw that. I had to pull it out. This is a recipe card for pineapple crumble. Wow. Okay. There's still more stuff. Okay, there is a oh, here it is. I pulled it out and put it to the side and didn't even. Okay, so we have another pattern, and this one is called a mantle scarf. Oh my goodness. It says that it's approximately 46 inches wide and 20 inches tall. And there it is. I know I'm having to kind of put this in front of JB so y'all can't see him right now. He's going, I can't even see them. So we got another pattern. That's really cool. And, okay, and then the last thing, I have to pull it out from under Mr. Jelly Bean here. It's a handy pocket guide for quilting with pre-cuts. Wow. Okay, so, and look, it's just a little one, so you could put it like in your purse or something. And on the back, it says there are 25 fascinating blocks from different pre-cuts. There are cutting tips for fat quarters, layer cakes, charm squares, and more. Take this pre-cuts mini book anywhere from home to the fabric shop to quilt camp. Know how many pre-cuts to buy for any size quilt from crib to king. That's very handy. And I like how it's little. Okay, so the blocks inside are very simple, which, you know, for a lot of people is really good. Look how simple that block is. It's called Breeze. It's like a strip of blue with a white on top and bottom. I wonder who designed that one. I'm terrible. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I love this. I like how it's very small and compact. So, you guys, that's the box for this month. And this was July. This was the July box. I wanted to make sure before I set it out. Oh my goodness. And it says right on the card that next month's fabrics are going to be Dear Stella. So if you like Dear Stella, you're going to like next month. And that is the box for July. You guys let me know, are you getting the box and are you enjoying the box? I'd really love to know. I think that the pineapple slice is such a great idea because there are times when we all want to just make like a quick little project, and I love how the patterns that you can pick, and they're always coming up with new ones, which I really like as well, because then you don't have any real limitations. So with each, you know, pack that you buy, you get a free pattern, and you know that all the patterns coincide with the fabrics that you're going to get in that pack. I just think that the whole thing is like a genius idea. I don't know, you know, it's really a great idea. So I'd also like to know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions for improvements or anything like that, I'm sure they would love to hear it. And I will see you guys in the next video. So stay tuned for more. Oh, and hit that subscribe button if you're still here. Bye.